Hey, so I'm going to be doing, I guess, an initial opening of the Jade II lightsaber from NEO Saber. This is my very first lightsaber ever, so I'm going to be learning kind of as we go and unbox this thing. I've never seen one, I've never actually held one in my hands. I've seen videos and things like that online. But let's take a look at what this is. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice case. It's what is this? I guess it's like very heavy duty plastic. It feels sturdy, solid. Comes with these two locks on either side. Move this thing out of the way. So let's open this up and see what we have here. Oh. There we go. And let's stand it like this. I assume this is the best way. So inside here, we've got a couple of different things. Looks like an Allen key set. Some sort of hex key. It's a blade plug. We have a micro SD card reader because it does come with an SD card built in. Some additional screws and an Allen key. We have product manual. I've heard that these modern blades can be really complicated, so I'll probably be spending a good few hours playing with it later this evening. Oh, this is a base. So as you can see, it's like a clear base underneath here, just for you to mount it on. And USB-C cable. I'm guessing for charging, connecting to the laptop, things like that. And then here we have the hilt itself. Let's unwrap this. So this is the xenopixel 2.0 version. I got it from NEO Saber, neosaber.com. Like I said, this is my very first blade, so this is all new to me. I know the hilt is made up of, I think it's an aluminum alloy. You'll see there's no actual LEDs in there because it doesn't use in-hilt LEDs. I've got the Neopixel one where the LEDs are actually built into the blade itself. But here we go. Here's the hilt. I think it's really nice looking. Like the black accents. And then here, I'm going to zoom in a bit here. You'll see it's like an exposed kyber crystal in there, which I believe also lights up. So I'm not going to power it up just yet. Let's take a look at the Neopixel blade. There it is. Of course, comes with the Neopixel connector at the end. So these Neopixel ones, like I said, I chose the Xenopixel 2.0 soundboard, which allows for some customization, not as much as a Profi, but still really, really good. Struggling to unwrap this sumbitch. But the blade includes, let's see what does it include. I know it supports flash and clash, or flash on clash, smooth swing, gesture ignition, tip drag as well, which I know is something that a lot of people, oh okay, for the rest of you, there's a little cover on the end there. Hopefully that'll make it easier to actually get to the end of it. There we go, perfect. So that was the missing element. Let's get this thing opened and removed. Also, I was very pleased to see that it came in a case. I actually didn't expect that at all. Just keep this sealed. Here we go. Whoop. Let's actually do the clips. There we go. So I didn't expect it to come in a case, so that's a nice surprise. Now, I'm going to attach the blade to the hilt. Let's see. So I think you insert it, and then I'm guessing this is the point that I should have probably read this manual first. But I'm guessing this is the point at which we use this hex key thingy. Let's see, because there seems to be. Hang on, let's get this thing opened up here, unclipped. Pulled out. No, it's not that. Maybe it's this one, yeah. Let's try this. For those of you who already have blades, probably looking and watching this thinking, man, what a tool. This guy has no idea what he's doing. And you'd be right. Here we go. No, that's not it either. I have no idea what's going on. Let me pause, figure this out, and then come back.
One eternity later.
So we're back. I was able to figure it out. I needed to install these blade retention screws there on either side. And those are the ones in that little bag that I had. So let's turn this sucker on and see what it looks like. So if I turn this on, right now it's on the Luke Skywalker profile. So it comes with a bunch of built-in profiles. You can connect it to your computer and change the sound fonts on there. I'll probably be adding a bunch of sound fonts in the future. But right now, we're on the Luke Skywalker setting. If I turn it on, I'm gonna hold it down nice and low so you can see the extension. So you can see it's green. You can hear the that's the smooth swing. So as you move it, the blade reacts. It's also, as I mentioned, got clash on clash. And it's got a bunch of different profiles built in. Let's turn this one off. If you hold down this button for a really long time, yeah, there we go, now we had someone else. Turn it on, and you'll see it's a completely different color profile. And then it has gesture control, so I can turn it off just by twisting my hand. Twist it again, that's on. Twist it, that's off. And you can see, because it has the Neopixel blade, it's able to actually adjust or simulate throwing out the blade as opposed to the entire thing just lighting up all at once. It's actually change it to a different one. Cyber Terror, whatever that means. There we go. As you can see, this is like a This is a red Sith blade with a flame effect. Still has flash on clash, and if you see there, the kyber crystal also glows. But yeah, there's a bunch of, that one's a really interesting power off. Let me do that again. Power on. It looks really unstable, which I think is the effect that they were going for. Now power off. I like that one. So I'll make another video, probably tomorrow or the next day, to show you all the different built-in profiles that come with this. In terms of actual functionality, I'm still trying to get to grips with everything, but it seems like if you press and hold the power button for a short amount of time, probably around 1 second, it changes the volume.
Steady.
Oh, that wasn't it.
Mute.
So that's muted. Oh, that wasn't locked, that was too short. So as you can see, muted, there's no sound effects at all.
Volume high.
Volume high, which is, I don't know how it's going to sound on the video, but that's loud, like proper loud. It's got tip drag. That's a bit on the loud side. Let me do that again.
Volume low.
There we go, volume low, that's much better. So, as I was showing there, if I turn it on, oh, sorry. So turn it on, I'll show you the tip drag. So it's got some really nice features. But like I said, I'll create another video, walk through all the different profiles. We can discover them together, see what colors it comes with and what sound profiles it comes with. It's got quite a bit built in, and then as I customize, I'll just keep making new videos. I am going to, out of interest, take this thing completely apart, weather these pieces as much as I can. I don't like the look of everything being shiny and new. I prefer it to look used and battle worn. So I'll take it apart, scuff it up, add some, different tarnishes, things like that, and then see where we end up. Let's actually quickly turn off the light, just so I can show you how bright it is. I don't know that you're going to get the full effect.
A few moments later.
The light off. Of course, it's only off as far as it can be. The windows are open, so let's turn this sucker on. The nice thing you see about Neopixel blades is here at the beginning by the hilt, and right at the very end, it's just as bright along the entire shaft. It doesn't start out bright at one end and then get dimmer as it gets further away. So yeah, join me next time when I go through all the different features and effects and sound fonts and everything that's possible with this thing. I'll do a showcase of all of them. I think it comes with 16, but I guess we'll discover that together. Thanks for watching.